Mukbang. It's kind of fun. Haven't done this in a long time. So last year the Woodstock Fruit Festival was cancelled because of the whole pandemic and everything. And it really took a toll on me because that's where I go every year to recharge, meet my tribe, reconnect with the beautiful energy, people who understand this lifestyle, who know that you can thrive eating just raw fruits and vegetables with just like an abundance of fruits and vegetables, high quality fruit, Miami fruit brings, and local farmers bring, and all that. And I just power up and get so motivated and inspired, and I feel like my creative juice is flowing, and then I come home like pumped, full of love, this loving energy and compassion. And then usually after a month, into the second month, it starts dwindling, and then I get back into like managing this lifestyle with my old lifestyle, you know, with like alcohol, smoke, cook food, low vibrational stuff. But then I always recharge back at the Woodstock Fruit Festival, but this year it didn't happen, so it's like 2 years almost without that recharge. So it's been kind of tough. So I wish you were here with me eating this right now. I wish I had friends around me who were just like eating Cherimoyas and loving it, as opposed to like trying to get my fruit in quick before having a meal with normal people, which for me is more symbolic. It's more about the connection with the people. But man, if you change your taste buds, clean up your system, get used to the fruits and vegetables, you will know how amazing this fruit is, and every fruit that is of quality and ripe. It's one of my old school type videos. Anyways, I'm gonna have some videos coming out with my mom, who did a 21-day juice feast with me, and who's been doing celery juice every morning for the past 5 or 6 months, and her experience, the benefits she's experienced, and all that. So eating regular food, just living how everyone's living, I wouldn't see her inspired to like share that with everyone, but she's seeing the improvements and the changes in her life, so she wants to share it. And especially she wants, if you're a young viewer like me, to share it with your parents, and if you're older, to listen, because she's retired and she's improving her life and feeling better in her retirement, which most people, that seems crazy. She's been lowering her blood pressure medication because the doctor said only take it as needed. She hasn't needed it as much, so she came with a bunch and she left back home with a bunch. She visited me here for a few months. I'm so grateful. So I think it's very natural in this world that when you have this awakening and you start eating better and improving your life and feeling better, but it's different from the mainstream, that you're gonna have a lot of resistance. People are gonna be telling you to change, to go back to your old ways. They don't want you to go through with it. Deep in their heart, they might be worried about you, or they might, I don't know why it happens. Maybe secretly they don't want you to leave them behind, or they're really concerned because they think we've been taught our whole lives to eat a certain way, to live a certain way. If you do it differently, that could be a bad thing. You could get sick, you could get worse. I don't know, but I think it's natural that we all have a lot of resistance, and people will want us to change our ways. But I think if you know in your heart that you're doing the right thing and that this makes sense, then you gotta just do it no matter what everyone says and what everyone else does. That's been my thing for sure. I've been way held back from my potential just to please others, just to fit in. Screw it, I can feel the energy coming. That's just gonna care less and less what people think, or what I think people think, and just live my truth, live what's right. I see so many people suffering needlessly, like so many things. I'm just like so easy to reverse, or so easy to stop, so easy to feel better. to lose the weight, to get a better condition, get your breath back. Like my mom, short of breath climbing hills, and then she did the juice feast and that went away and she could just walk up the hill no problem. And I see this so much suffering, and then what am I gonna do? Just like keep fitting in and not sharing this light? What if I keep sharing this light and then someone eventually, even if they were against me, remembers, oh, Kuba was doing this, look at him now. Maybe I can try what he's saying. Maybe I can go 1 week just eating raw foods and see how you feel. Very frustrated inside.